Welcome to the second part of the Aerocast app. In this video, we're gonna fetch real data using OpenWeather API, while in the first video we did implement the layout design for the app. Link to the first video and source code are in the video description. Add those new dependencies that can be consumed during the fetch. Create an account at the openweathermap.org and hit the API section. Create a brand new API key if you don't have it. Create .env file, add it to ignore file, and add OpenWeather API key to the env file. Load the env file before running the application. Add a new file for icon checker at the reutilization directory, which is a simple function that accepts a condition as an argument and return icon depending on the status. Weather data will be a JSON object is about weather condition, status code, or request or list of the days, cities, country information, and so on. We need to convert the JSON object into classes and subclasses using the same name for each JSON object property. Starting with the weather model by defining the following variables, pass them to the constructor as well as from JSON to JSON functions. From now on, the process is going to be repeated for defining subclasses for day, weather, clouds, winds, system, main, city, coordinate. Creating all the previous classes. Now time to generate all the result. In the terminal, run the following command: flutter pub run builder, which gonna generate a new weather model file. Create weather services for fetching data from OpenWeather map server and using the API key from env to return real data. Time to update the main view. Create future model for weather data to pass the real data from variable to a subwidget by considering the error and no data handling. Final step is to refactor the forecast widget by defining new argument, which is a list of day models. Then we can map those values from each day model to their corresponding weather forecast item. To see the result, clean, build, and run the application. You could also expand this project by adding, for example, city selector. Peace and see you in the next video.